Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is going to be a quick how-to video on how to open up the hood on a Ford. Not terribly difficult, but if you haven't done it before, it's nice to see how it's done before you try. First thing you need to do is open up the door and unlatch the hood from the inside. Fortunately, this step is almost the same for every car in the world. Basically, underneath the steering column, the steering wheel, you see a little lever there with a hood on there. You just grab this, pull till you hear it click. Pretty definitive click there. So now we know the hood is unlatched from the inside. Now we just need to manually open it up. Okay, you saw the hood pop up a little bit. Well, there's still a little bit more to do. So first thing you're going to do walking up the hood is lift it up all the way. Now we made it about twice as wide for that access. Now that you have the hood open a little bit more, I got the flashlight on here. If you peek in here where you're going to stick your hand in like this, I always like to do fingers down, and there'll be a bar right in the middle there. See that bar? Just to the right of that, sticking my hand in there, there's a little button or a little lever that I need to push. You can see that? Push that to the left, and that unhooks the latch mechanism right there. Here we go. Find the bar with your index finger. Find the latch lever release. Push it to the left and lift up. Here's a look at the mechanism from above with the hood open. We slid our hand in like this, felt around for this piece, and we just move it to the left. You can clearly see that that hook will be pushed off the bar and the hood will open. The last step, there's a little prop bar that is on the front here. You can see that right there, kind of ends with that little hook. Lift that up and prop it into the hood itself. And the hood has an arrow on where to put the prop bar. So we'll lift that up, put it right there, and that'll support the hood.